So guys, as you can see, lawnmower is finally finished, and there I can get her down to very low RPM and stuff as well. So the engine did receive a full overhaul. You can go ahead and paint the tank because in fairness, petrol is that strong, it will actually lift spray paint. So if you ever want to actually remove spray paint from anything, you just drop petrol. It does get very, because this is nearly where that's where the paint first starts coming off. And obviously then you just don't overfill the tanks either, because with the vibrations it will want to drip out, but it's not too bad. It looks really well. That guard, that's just the heat shield. It always looks well when they fit it on. That came off the other one, the donor lawnmower. Front wheels are not too bad. I will change them at some stage, but they'll do for the time being. I did do a bit of cosmetic work to the sticker to try and bring it up so you can actually read it. Castle Garden green line. The bag of it is actually off the Tecumseh lawnmower. It's not an original one. I didn't get one with it, so I just had to go with that. Up here, as you can see, I painted this stop bar, same colour as the fact that this is yellow too. It looked really well. There is a self-propelled drive in this, and the back axle is a self-drive, and I just took off the original the belt. I didn't really bother because it's a very light lawnmower, and I don't actually mind. Some lawnmowers need to self-propel. I might fix the self-propel at some stage, but it's not a big priority at the moment. It's really light. Comparison between the two, they are nearly identically the same engine, except this one is a 94, so she is 26 years old and 20 years old, so yeah, bit of a difference there. This is my first restoration. I've had this a good year and a half now. I'm going to do a vlog maybe on the lawnmowers and tell you where I'm going from there. Guys, if you did, please like, subscribe, and guys, I'll see you in the next one.